¿Qué lo que hay? What's up, mi gente? If you are new to my channel, bienvenidos. My name is AlexissDDiaz. If you're returning back to me, welcome back, amor. So you guys, basically today I'm going to be doing this look right here. It is a 90s Cardi B inspired look. If you've been sleeping under a rock, then you do not know that Cardi B and Bruno Mars just recently dropped a new video earlier this year. And once I saw the video, I was like, yo, that's it. I gotta do this video. I gotta do a look that's inspired to it and bring it to my YouTube familia. So that's what this is. You guys go ahead, hit the like button, just get it over with. Don't even worry about it. And let's go ahead and jump right into it and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes first. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows.
Rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and not change the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like flexing on the ground like hit that little John, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid. Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long.
Radio. I'm going in with my Morphe palette, and this one is the 35B palette. It's a palette with all the beautiful colors, and so I'm going to be using this pink one here. So I'm just going to apply this here in the crease, and I'm going to blend it up in a little bit here. And I'm just going to go in with the blending brush, and I'm going to start blending it out. And basically, I'm just going to like blend in the crease. And then I'm going to blend up. I don't want no harsh lines. I want it to like fade. I want this to be like tight ass taper. You know what I'm saying? Fade it. I'm gonna go in with some more here into my crease.
I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right.
You do like little circular motions like this, it'll do the job for you. The brush will do the job. And just take your time when doing this, so don't mess up, which is very easy to do, trust. To make sure that it's all sealed, like this concealer, I don't want it to like muddle any color that I'm going to put on. And I'm going to be using this new shadow that I just bought. It's called Mecca Beauty Cosmetics. I'm not sure if you guys heard of it, but it's a pretty shimmer powder. It's called Tease. I really like it a lot. I'm just gonna go in with a flat brush here. I'm just going to apply right where I cut it.
I can't believe they dropped me.
I'm just gonna go with the same pink. And I'm just going to blend where it meets here. On the lid. Or the crease. The Morphe palette has like this white here. I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit of that too on here.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long.
We gotta do this liner. This liner, I get nervous every single time I do liner because it's hit or miss. It's hit or miss with me. So we're gonna try, and we're gonna go for a nice tight liner.
That's right. It don't make no sense.
You are now tuned in to The Plug Radio.
Now slow it down for me, baby. feels when we grind. Yeah, our connection's so magnetic.
Whew, this side always comes out good. It's matching this side. That's the struggle.
Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. Hey, I hit dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. I hit dripping in finesse.
Underneath the lid here, the bottom lid, and then just color this in some.
Plug Radio.
These are like my all-time favorite lashes here. I'm done with the eyes. Let's go ahead and move on to the face. I'm gonna go ahead and prime and do my regular routine. I'm using Becca's primer. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty. I'm gonna use my brush here to smooth everything out.
There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I walk with you,
The Plug Radio.
the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. Hey, I hit dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. I hit
You are now tuned in to The Plug Radio.
don't make no sense. I hit dripping in finesse.
And I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. powder.
Lay it down for me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we grind.
Then we're gonna go in with a darker LA Girl to contour.
No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. Hey, I hit dripping.
Just gonna go in with a nice short brush. I'm going to blend it out.
You know it. I hit dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Fellas, grab your ladies if your lady fine.
You can buff into your hairline. Ooh, my arms. I've got like this little small brush here to do my nose.
Dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit dripping in finesse. You know, dripping in finesse with my baby. Oh, finesse. You know it. Girl, you know we got it going on.
I'm just gonna go in with Hola and touch my cheek.
Dropping hits. It's the Plug Radio.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and not change the game. It's my big
I'm just gonna use blush here. Gotta be careful with this blush though, man. It is strong. Tap it. 'Cause I'm like, I was told that this, I'm curious. I was told that this could be used as like a highlighter as well. So I'm curious to see how it looks. Ooh, they weren't lying. Wow, okay. Okay.
Now slow it down for me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we grind.
Basically, I'm done with my face. I just want to move on to my lips. And so for lips, I'm going to be using Maybelline's, what is this? Maybelline Color Blur. I love this lipstick. And then I'm going to be using NYX Cosmetics Metals to top it off. So I'm going to be using this one here as my base. Nice bright lippy. I'm just going to start with the X. I swear I have like the weirdest shaped lips.
Grab your ladies if your lady fine. Tell her she don't want fun.
Plug Radio.
Alright, and I'm gonna go in here with the metal, the metallic from NYX.
It don't make no sense. You know, dripping in finesse with my baby. Oh, you know we got it.
So pretty. Woo. Okay. And then I just gotta finish it off. I'm gonna hit my eyebrows with the gel here. So make sure that they standing up.
Plug Radio.
Stand up. There we go. And then I'm gonna hit myself with Master Fixes. Woo. All right. And that's it, you guys. That's the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put my hair, fix my hair up, and I'm gonna put my earrings on, change my shirt. We're gonna bring it all together. Stay tuned. So this is it, you guys. This is the entire look. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe down below. Do not forget to like and share this video. Hasta la próxima vez. Te quiero, mi gente. Mwah. Ciao.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up.